Welcome to Happy Bay Beach in St. Martin. Are you ready for this new episode? Stay tuned.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and
What is going on, guys? Welcome to a new episode of the best beaches of St. Martin. And today we are going to Happy Bay Beach. So the way to access Happy Bay Beach is a little bit difficult, so you need to know where to drive, where to go to, because if you look at Google Maps, the road that brings you to Happy Bay Beach is not accessible by car. You have to walk a little bit and you have to know where to start your hike. So I am going to show you the entrance or the last parking spot where you can park your car before hiking to Happy Bay Beach. Because if you see here, it says property privé, or like private property, and there's a big gate. You cannot enter with your car on that gate, so you have to drive on this dirt road. And if you have a car like me, the best place to park your car is just over here and hike a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna try it anyways. Well, this is not my first time going to Happy Bay Beach. This is my 4th or 5th time already. If you take it straight ahead, you will go to Grand Case. This beach over there is Grand Case. It goes all the way to the city, but you have to take the one on the left. So this is the first one left. Don't miss it. Just drive the car all the way at the end, and there's an area where you can park your car. And as you already saw, my video needed a cut because a friend of mine was also on this beach, unplanned. He didn't know that I was filming here, and I didn't know that he was planning to come here. Anyways, he's already parked down there, and we are going to park next to him. Okay guys, so this is a crazy coincidence. As you already saw in the video, I met my friend in his white car. I didn't know that he was coming to this place, and he also did not know that I was here. And we had 35 beaches on this island, and yeah, we just met on Happy Bay Beach. But he didn't know how to go to Happy Bay Beach, so as you already saw, the white car was turning around while I was going to Happy Bay Beach. And yeah, he asked me where the parking lot is, and I told him that he had to park here. So this is his car, this is my car. I also told him that I plan to make a YouTube video, so that's why he's already at the beach and I am here making this video for you guys. So let's go. This is the way where you come from. This is the last area where you can park your car, and you have to walk over here. Let's go. So Google Maps brings you on this road over here from all the way down there. You see it? There is a gate with a big lock on it. and it's not accessible by car. So if you follow Google Maps and you don't know where to go, probably you won't find a beach. And that's where I came in. So as you see, there's already a path over here because a lot of people walk on the same spot. So take this road all the way down to the buildings over there. Those are abandoned hurricane buildings. I don't know which hurricane destroyed them, but they are abandoned. So this is one of the abandoned buildings on Happy Bay Beach. Let's take a peek inside. And there it is, Happy Bay Beach. Let's go. Oops, I can go down here. Also in St. Martin, they love good penises. So that is the place where we came from. We're going down. Down, 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 down. Kick it down, 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 down. Kick it down, down, down. Kick it down, 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 down. Kick it down, down, down. I don't know if this dirt road goes all the way down to Happy Bay, because I found another way to go to Happy Bay. So the best way to go to Happy Bay Beach is not by following this dirt road, but as you see, there's another way to Happy Bay. There is another way to Happy Bay. So as you can see, those abandoned buildings are right over there. You take the first one on the right. Just look very carefully on the ground. You will see a path, and that is the path you need to take. Let's go. I don't know if my friend took this path. I don't think so, because I told him just to follow the big road. But anyways, everything leads to Happy Bay, but I'm going for the scenic route. I hear some music. That means there are some people having fun, and it's always good. I love to see when people are having fun. Woo, cactus! We are now in the jungle. This is the Amazon jungle in the Caribbean. Cactus! And we're almost there, guys. I'm out of breath because the sun is hot. I forgot to bring water with me. Shit. I forgot to bring water. So the next stop after this beach will be a gas station to have some refreshments. But I will stay here for a few hours. So this is it, guys. Happy Bay Beach. Ooh, the people that are having fun are on a boat. Maybe they have some drinks for me. Look at the water, guys. This is amazing. Look at this place. Caribbean music. I want to walk between the rocks, but I don't want to make my feet wet. So how are we going to do that? If I went right now, come on, come on, come on, wait for it. Oh, my feet are wet. We are here at Happy Beach. We are gonna teach everybody some English. N O T I C E. Notice.